Oh, hi, it's me again. Beautiful morning in Berlin. Oh my God. It's me, Rama Sadau, and as promised, I'll be taking you out to the beautiful city of Berlin on the Celebs Around Town show, courtesy of KLM Royal Dutch. Come on, let's go have fun.
So, alright guys, after my post yesterday, I see that some of you have asked to see the beautiful sides of Berlin. Okay, let's go through the comments. Oh, okay, so I have one. Ahmad says he would like to see the Brandenburg Gate. That's a nice one. Chinwe says she would love to visit the East Side Gallery. Oh, I would also love to go to that place. So guys, I'm so sorry. These are the two I can pick for now. As you can see, I have countless comments. And this is all brought to you by KLM Royal Dutch Airlines. Let's go have fun. Guys, so we're at Brandenburg Gate. Actually, Brandenburg Gate is one of the most iconic monuments in Germany. Originally, only the royals were allowed to pass through this gate. So I'm gonna feel like a queen while passing through it. Come on, let's go. Yes. Oh, so as you can see, it's a bit chilly this morning in Berlin. And I am standing in front of this huge edifice, the Federal German Parliament, the Reichstag building. Oh, there is so much beauty and maintenance here. When one considers the time it was built, 1894. It was built to meet the need of the newly unified empire of the Kaisers. Oh, I love Berlin. Let's go.
This is one of the most touching places I've ever been. The Holocaust Memorial is dedicated to the millions of Jews who died across Europe during the Second World War. I would like to take a minute to walk around in reflection.
There it is, the Bellevue Palace, the home of the President of Germany. Such a serene view, right? I love this place. Okay guys, so that's it for today. Make sure you stay tuned tomorrow on KLM Facebook and Twitter for the second day of my tour trip. Don't forget, Celebs Around Town is brought to you by KLM Royal Dutch Airlines. Envision and see the world with KLM. Bye for now.